Welcome to Two Crazy Redheads.
I'm Deborah.
And I'm Bobby, and we're going to talk to you about wine labels because there's a lot of information on a bottle of wine that you may not realize. It changes from country to country. This is a California Cabernet. It's the Semler Cabernet Sauvignon that we recently did a video on. But
no, this is good, and also this is going to be specific to American, specifically California labeling, and maybe another time we'll do, looking at French bottles, looking at Italian bottles, because there's slight differences.
yeah, and it'll give you at least a heads up in regards to those wines. Because they normally will tell you a lot of the same information, different places on the label, but same information. So, first of all...
What do we got first?
Well, obviously where the wine is made, or the winery. That's the most prominent thing on an American label. European labels, it's typically the region that's more prevalent. But, obviously, now you know where this is, and it'll tell you also the area that the grapes are from. And,
so in this case, what do we have? This label says what? Semler?
Semler's the winery.
Winery. Okay, then what we got?
Saddle Rock. You know what? Hold this for a second.
Okay.
I'm going to zoom in on the bottle. Woohoo! Super high tech here. Okay, I zoomed out.
And zoom in.
Okay. Let's see.
So, Semler, then we have Cabernet Sauvignon.
That's the varietal.
In order to put your varietal on the bottle must contain at least 75% of that grape varietal.
In California.
In California. So, if you're going to call it, this might only have 75%, and it could have
Cabernet Sauvignon, it could have Merlot,
other things,
all sorts of things.
But it has to have, in California, at least 75%. Okay.
For it to be a varietal.
All right, then what's next?
Year, which is the vintage of the grapes. I think is it 75% also?
It actually, if you're going to have the year designated, it has to be at least 85%.
Okay, of the grapes from that year.
If you also have the location, and I only know this because I looked it up today. If you also have the location, so you have the year and the location, which this one does.
Saddle Rock,
it has to be 95% from that year.
In my experience, is most of the time
it's 100%.
Yeah, they rarely do anything else. And then underneath that, it says alcohol 14.5% by volume, that very little thing. And I'm going to zoom back out because this bottle is way less interesting than we are.
I know. We're cute. I think we're cuter than the bottle.
And someday, we'll actually have somebody behind the camera.
Okay.
I promise.
So the 14.5%?
14.5% on this bottle.
So that can have a variance of about 1%.
Yes. So over 14%, Deborah tells me, is
a little higher.
It's plus or minus 1% on the alcohol percentage. Normally, if it's over 14%, they're going to tell you the truth because the taxes are higher for things that are over 14%. And not to say that people blatantly lie, just that there is a tax difference at 14%.
I always thought it was 15% where the tax break cutoff was. And then I looked it up today, and it was over 14%. So I was like, okay.
Yeah. And there's a lot of wines that are in the 14% range. Like I said, this one's 14.5. Below that, the tolerance is plus or minus 1.5%. So anyway, that's what you find on there. The other things that are important
Did we talk about the location?
We did, sort of.
Saddle Rock, Malibu.
This is Saddle Rock, Malibu. That's the AVA, or the American Viticultural Area. It's the same as an appellation in France. It's an area that they've specified has certain tolerances, sometimes for grapes, sometimes for altitude, and it's a designated area where the grapes have to be from. And
that means the grapes are from there.
And is that 85% of the grapes?
Hold on.
Ooh, she's looking it up!
I'm like,
Well, she does that, though. I'm going to tell you some other things.
75%.
75% has to be from Saddle Rock, Malibu, but that means, they could have a little bit from somewhere else, whatever. And if you ever see something that says Cabernet Merlot, that means 75% of the grapes are Cabernet or Merlot. It could be 37.5% of each, could be 20-50, don't know, but it's...
And the other thing about, the other thing about the location, too, is that, for this one, because it's designated, it's, what I say, 75% from here. If you'll sometimes see where it'll say Central Coast in California. So it could be a little bit from one AVA, a little bit from another, but all within that general region, so you have an idea.
Yeah. Sonoma Valley, or Sonoma, could be Sonoma Valley, Sonoma Mountain, Sonoma, Anyway, so the other thing is on the back they normally give you like a little bit of a feel for the wine or the winery, so it'll tell you stuff. I personally wouldn't go by this as far as like flavor profiles go. A lot of times I find a totally different flavor profile. Part of that's probably because I open wine and I don't drink it immediately. I let it breathe, and a lot of people open wine and drink it, so I think that a lot of less expensive wines tell you what it is when you first open it. And the last thing is government warning down here. That's required to be on every bottle of wine. If it's not on the bottle of wine, it's illegal to sell you that bottle of wine. And I found that out because I bought a bottle of wine without it. So, I mean, it wasn't illegal on my part. I just bought it.
We didn't know.
I didn't know. I bought it at a store, and it was like in a bargain bin. And we shall leave that store nameless. But anyway, so those are the things. You know, a lot of times they'll have web addresses on the back, things like that. On European bottles of wine, a lot of times they'll have the alcohol percentage on the back.
Yeah.
Or along the side.
And it's helpful because it's like if you are just at a store or out, or, you know, even looking at a wine list at a restaurant and you don't have someone to make a recommendation and you're figuring out what you're going, okay, well, at least I know in general I've liked other Cabernet Sauvignons from the, you know, Saddle Rock, Malibu, AVA. Let's give this one a try. You know, so it kind of helps you out there.
Absolutely. So, that's us.
Two crazy redheads.
Because we take our wine seriously.
Ourselves, not so much.